Hello, this is I'm here with Triple J Digital Marketing, and I'm going to be showing you in this video 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local businesses owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves. But some call me back and have me do it for them. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard and seen the things that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this information that I gave you for free, that works for me as well. So let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I'm going to be going over is content. For content, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now, Google loves content and websites, and you guys have about 702 words in your homepage. Now, Google counts words as content to show how you guys are ranking as a website. Now, these guys over here, your main competitors that I found, have about 1,084 words, which is easily beatable if we are able to accommodate and insert more content into your website. Now, every month people are searching for a certain amount of keywords, as many times depending on the volume of the keywords related to your business, which in reality you miss out on being number 1. I have this tool, Ahrefs, which is a paid tool and is my favorite. And there's other free tools that will show you your site how it's actually ranking. So your site here, we're looking at that you guys are not very popular in Google's areas. This DR is basically the trust level that Google shows each website based on different factors: citations, backlinks, and content. And you guys are here at number 12. Your competitor is very, very low, which is easily beatable. But again, they're showing higher on the organic search when you search Whittier electricians. Their website is here. I cannot find your website in any of the pages, either 1, 2, or 3 pages of Google. So basically, it's really hard for somebody to search for your businesses if you're not on the first page of Google. Now let's take a look at your competitor here. Their trust level is very low for a certain reason. I'm not sure why it's very low, but they're ranking high because they have a lot of keywords relevant to electricians, the electrician field. Now the second thing that we're going to be looking at is the backlinks, and we're going to go back over to Ahrefs. Your backlinks are basically anywhere that you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all links are created equal. So it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites will work best. So we're taking a look at the amount of backlinks your competitors has. And again, this is very beatable because they have 0 backlinks and 0 referring domains. The referring domains are the main websites where it's giving you power back to your website, which in this case, you guys have 153, so you guys are winning here. Now looking down, therefore, that we can take every single link from other competitors that I can find based on other factors as well, not only that they're ranking here organically, we can look into this map pack, and that's where I'm going. That's where I'm going next. This map pack area here shows you the top 3 companies locally where I'm searching. So in this case, I search Whittier Electricians, and this is what gives me the first top 3 without paying any ads or any Google guarantee where it shows you being number 1. This is organic search on the web map, on the map pack. So again, going into this page, I could not locate you guys anywhere here within the first 3 pages. So basically, it would be the same as anybody searching for Whittier Electricians. If they cannot find you guys here and they cannot find you guys here, it would just be basically word of mouth. So a lot of traffic comes through the first page of Google, and this is very relevant to gaining more leads, and obviously those leads can convert to more businesses for you guys. So going back here to the Google Map Pack, we are looking at citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as your Google Business Profile, or GBP. Therefore, these citations help you rank in this map pack, which is extremely important to local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So in example, if you put this whole information, your name, address, and phone number, on a couple of directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Angie, Expertise, and so on, so many other directories online that can help you rank higher than your competitors here. Now what I would do is I would grab this competitor and put it in Ahrefs and look at all their backlinks and look at all their keywords and just basically rank on them based on that. And in reality, it would help you gain more traction to be on the first page of Google and on the first page of Google Map Pack. Now the citations do require time to gain traction, but in reality, when you start doing this correctly, it is very easy to start ranking on the first page. Now the idea is for your site to begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above the competition. So again, closing on this, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, you will start generating more traffic through your website and through your GBP, and you'll be looking at getting more businesses coming your way. So I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that it will generate some pretty decent revenue with more traffic. Also, there's usually many more keywords you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. And if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out to me, and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out as my door is always open. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this helps. Have a great day.